Today we're going to be taking a quick look at how you can use Canva AI to make effective images for either yourself or your business. And if by the end of this video you have any questions or queries that you would like to ask, you can reach out to myself or Profile Tree through both emails found on screen now. So to begin with, you will simply come on to Google and type in Canva. And from there, you can come down here and see Canva free design tool for presentations, video and any type of social media posts. From here you'll be introduced to the home screen, and as you can see in the top right of this page there's two options where you can either log in or sign up. If you're new to Canva, the best option for you is to sign up through your own personal email and password. However, as I am already a member of Canva, I will go through the login tab here at the top right corner. So as seen on screen here, it is mentioned welcome back, where I can then continue with my Google login. So this has brought me to the home page within Canva itself, where you can see there's a range of different tools and apps that you can use within the system. And it's important not to get too overwhelmed because Canva is quite an easy tool to use. Whereas you can see here along the middle of the page, there are many different ways you could use Canva through maybe creating a document, a whiteboard, an Instagram post, or an Instagram story. Maybe you run a strong business through your Facebook. You could also create Facebook posts and stories on Canva itself, or even a presentation as well. So there are many different options that you can go with through Canva. And for the sake of today's video, if I come up here to the top right corner to create a design, you can see here that many of these different options are here in terms of a document, a whiteboard, Instagram post, Instagram story, a Facebook post, presentation, video, A4 document, poster or logo. So definitely there's a lot here that really is tailored towards your needs and whatever it is you're trying to aim through using Canva. For the example of today's video, I'm going to create an Instagram post, as we are looking at AI in terms of how you can generate text to images. So if we come in here and we hit Instagram post, this will bring us to the following page. So along the left of this page you can see there are many different options, such as different designs which Canva has created for you, where you can simply drag and drop into your Instagram post and add it as so. Over to the left again, you have your Elements tab, where you can create different shapes and graphics or stickers, whatever it may be, to make your photo effective. And a range of different options such as uploading your own images and adding text as well. However, for the sake of this video, I want to draw your eye to the bottom left of the page where you can see text to image. And this is Canva AI's text to image generator, where it asks you to simply describe the image you want and they will create it for you. And with Canva AI, you can get as creative and imaginative as possible, where any of your prompts, whatever you describe, they will simply create for you. So for the example of this, I'm going to type in a cat riding a bicycle to show you how creative Canva AI can get. And once you have your prompt typed in, you will simply come down here to the bottom and create your images. And as you can see here, it has mentioned it's hard work transforming those images from your head. Wait with us while we generate, and it will simply load up a bar and give you exactly what you need. So as you can see here, there's some cats riding some bicycles, and you can simply just drag and drop your image into your Instagram post. And then fit to size and add it whatever way you would like. But as I mentioned, this is being used by many companies today to generate fast, effective images for either their social media pages or maybe their website, whatever it may be. So we'll take a look at some other examples which are more business related. So let's say you are a whiskey brand and you're selling whiskey, and through the seasons you want to relate whiskey to maybe Easter. You could simply use Canva AI to relate your brand or whatever product you're trying to sell to the time of the season. So you can see here Canva AI is generating this image for us, and we're going with the idea that it's in around Easter. And from here you can see that there's many bottles of whiskey here surrounded by the likes of rabbits, and you could basically take this image and tailor it whatever way you want in terms of adding your branding or your logo, and then publicizing on your Instagram page. Let's say you run your own gym and you're putting out an ad campaign on Instagram itself, and you want some images of people maybe working out. You can see here the Canva AI will quickly generate people running on a treadmill, where you can simply take this image and use it within your own social media. So as I mentioned as well, you can come along here and you can add text to your images. You could come up here and add some elements. Maybe you want to put in some further images or some cursors, whatever it may be. So there's a range of opportunities here with Canva AI and editing your new images. But effectively, this is the best way to save your business time, where rather than designing your own image or trying to create an image tailored towards your business, you can use Canva AI to generate these images in a matter of seconds. And before I just close off, I want to show you how you would download this and save it to your own computer. So once you have your image selected and you're happy with the contents on the image, you will simply come up here to the top right corner of Canva, where you can see the share button. From there, you will click the share button and you can see there's a range of different things you can do within this. So you can add people to access your image. Maybe you want people to view it before you upload it to Instagram or edit it. You can also add a collaboration link and send this over to other people within your business. But what I want you to do is come down to here where it says download. And from there, you will click download, and there's a range of different options here for you, but Canva AI will give you a suggested option, which is normally the PNG. And as you can see here, it is mentioning this is the best for complex images and illustration. So once you have selected that, you will come down here and click download. And then it's as simple as that. That will simply download onto your computer. You can save this image and then upload it to your Instagram. So that was a brief overview of how exactly you could use Canva AI to the benefit of your own business while creating any image for your social media or whatever it may be. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do have any further questions or queries, make sure and reach out to myself and I would be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching and have a brilliant day.